DC-Fix registered self-adhesive film are environmentally friendly in terms of their production, processing and disposal. They meet the toughest quality requirements. The high-quality ingredients used are REACH compliant and free of heavy metals, and utilize a solvent-free dispersion adhesive. Application Kit for self-adhesive and static films. With the do-it-yourself kit, this is easy as pie. The useful tools ensure the best possible result quickly and easily. Here we are presenting some self-adhesive film design and their results. If you fall in love with SFP India, DC-Fix brand. Wooden shade. We have literally thousands of wood patterns out here, and each pattern comes in several different colorways. Choose the perfect wood patterns for your furniture, chair, table, almirah, etc., and give your furniture naturally and beautiful look using our peel stick vinyls. They won't harm the surface and can dramatically change the look in minutes. We stock the largest range of gorgeous #tagged fix wood grains on our website. Trendy Line. Those who dare win. With the adhesive films from the collection Trendy Line, you can make a colorful statement within your own four walls. The extraordinary, trendy motifs perfectly match a modern decorating style. The thicker structure makes using the films a piece of cake. This means that not just decorating, but even applying the film is fun. Velour film. The colorful adhesive films from the DC-Fix Velour collection are velvety soft and also practical. The films with plain colored flocking are tough and shock and noise absorbing. A wide variety of objects can be quickly made beautiful with them. Velvet Edition. Experience the velvety soft feel of the DC-Fix Velvet Edition. Whether wild animal designs or a disco mix from the 80s, the adhesive films with exclusive designs bring life to a room. The multi-layer construction creates a 3D look and feel, which are unique among adhesive films. The new product was recognized with the German Design Award. Metallic film. The adhesive films from the DC-Fix Metallic collection are particularly easy and quick to use. With their trendy metallic look, they also create exciting accents in modern living environments. The typically metallic colors and surfaces are especially effective on furniture, kitchen cabinets, and appliances. Mirror effect film. With the self-adhesive mirror effect film by DC-Fix, you can create great mirror and light effects without a hammer and nails. The film won't replace a real mirror, but its high gloss, reflective surface gives rooms a more visual depth. It is very easy to use in versatile and creative ways. Chalkboard film and whiteboard film. The self-adhesive blackboard and whiteboard films are suitable for drawing and writing with common blackboard chalk or whiteboard markers. They are a practical tool for conference rooms or at home as they can be individually cut and flexibly adhered to many surfaces. Quadro. With the DC-Fix registered Quadro wood texture film, you can transform any piece of furniture into something special. The exceptionally deep and distinctive embossing gives the film an impressive surface finish. Design films. With our designer films, any home can be individually decorated. Whether traditional classic, stylish elegant, or playfully modern, there are no limits on your creativity. When enhancing furniture or other fitments according to your own desires, they are the first choice. The clean and easy use of the film makes enhancement or renovation a piece of cake and is affordable for any budget. Regardless of whether for the kitchen, bathroom, or living room, DC-Fix offers the right designer film for any purpose. Thank you for watching. For the largest range of patterned vinyl, unique and modern design, check out our website www.sfpindia.com for more tips and tricks. Contact us on toll-free number 180-011-6863 and you can also connect us WhatsApp also 0701-112-5992.